This is how to set up and take down the Cedar Mesa cot. Let's take a look at the materials that are included with the product. To assemble, first, lay out the fabric sleeve top with the large logo face down. Assemble the sleeve top holes. Insert the sleeve top holes into the red end of the fabric. Pull on the end fabric loop to fully insert the sleeve top hole into the end of the sleeve. On the leg assemblies, remove the legs from their stored locations and rotate to their use locations. Remove arms from their stored locations and rotate to their use locations. Repeat for 2 additional leg assemblies. Take note to keep the center handle unlocked while performing the next steps. Attach left and right C-clips onto the sleeve top holes. Place one or both hands onto the center handle. Press down on the center handle until it clicks. Repeat for all 3 leg assemblies. As an option, add your favorite climate pad for extra comfort. To disassemble back into the carry bag, place the cot upside down. Apply downward pressure to the center handle to relieve tension. While applying downward pressure, push and hold both red release buttons. While holding the red buttons, release the downward pressure on the center handle. Detach the C-clips from the sleeve top poles with a twisting motion. Return arms and legs to their stored locations. Repeat for all 3 leg assemblies. Where will you take your Cedar Mesa cot?